So if you need to register for an NIS number in Jamaica, but you're confused about the process, then this video is for you. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, I'm LK. Today we're talking about how to register for your NIS in Jamaica. So a national insurance scheme number is a unique identification number assigned to individuals to track mandatory social security contributions such as old age pensions, sickness and maternity benefits, and is required for all employed persons aged 18 and older. Of course, this is done under the Minister of Labour and Social Security portfolio. So NIS isn't just another deduction from your pay stub. It's your safety net. You need it for starting a formal job, applying for your NHG benefits later on, and most importantly, your pension when you retire. If you don't have an NIS number, you're basically leaving money on the table for your future self. So if you're starting a job, self-employed or entering the workforce, you may need to register for NIS. So here is the checklist and what to bring. Before registering, ensure that you have your documents ready and make sure all your information matches across all your documents. Here is exactly what you need to put in your folder right now. 1. You need your original birth certificate. You need a valid photo ID. It can be a passport, driver's license, or your national ID. You need your TRN card or the official slip that was given to you at the tax administration office. And if you change your name, you will need your marriage certificate or your deed poll. Please note, everything must be the original document. So to get your NIS in Jamaica, you need to submit a completed application form. For the national insurance number, the form is the R2 form. So you need that along with your birth certificate, valid ID, and your TRN number. You're going to take that to the parish office. So for Montego Bay, there's one in Stamchart Square, and you'll see the sign that says Minister of Labour and Social Security. It's right beside Burger King. That's where you get your NIS done. You'll be filling out the form called the R2 form, which is available at the NIS office. Just in case your card was lost, you can apply for a replacement at the same office. So guys, the process is generally quick, and the card which displays your name and unique NIS number will be issued upon successful registration. So I did mine a long time ago, guys, and this is how it looks. It's a simple card, guys. I had mine laminated because I didn't want it to get torn or wet. So it's a simple looking card, but it's very important. If you did yours recently, drop it in the comment section and let me know how long yours took to be ready. Very simple process, guys. Nothing to worry about, nothing that took any long time. It's not going to take a long time, and it's free of cost. All it's going to take, like your TRN, it's your time. So here are some of the common mistakes. Incorrect information, missing documents, different names across the documents, incomplete forms. Those things are going to allow you to have a delay in this process, so ensure that your information is correct and everything is filled out, guys, so you can just fly through this process fast. Guys, so if you're starting a new job soon, try to get your NIS registration done early so you're not rushing last minute. Here it is, guys. Pretty simple process, shouldn't take you long. Remember also that processes and requirements change over time, so always check with the official office before starting your application, and let me know if you're applying for a new job or just getting your papers in order. I hope this video helped to make the process more easier for you. If it did, make sure to like this video, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!